Hey guys, what you see here is a 44-inch Hunter baseball ceiling fan. This one in particular is from the 15th week of 2001. And this is the second one that I got, so I'm showing the reversible wood side facing down, and the other side has the reversible aluminum side. This one's in a little bit more rough condition. The canopy has some scratches from scraping the motor when it was installed. The other side of the blades has some goo on it, and it's also pretty faded. And when I got this one, the pull chains are both inside of the motor housing, so I was able to fish them out and use them. So otherwise, this one works just like the other one. There's the light. There's low. This one came complete, and this is the other one that's going to go to my friend. I explained everything in the other video about these fans, so I'm not gonna go over it again, but they are big childhood fans for me. It's a light. This wood side does look pretty good though, I will say. It's medium speed. Again, there's not much air movement due to it being so close to the ceiling. This one has a little bit of wobble to it. A little bit more than the last one. I'll switch to high. High speed. I don't want that home plate to fall in the motor, so it's going to be short. But no air movement really. Pretty good fan. Again, very cool fan, but doesn't really do anything performance-wise. I'll show it off a little bit. This video is pretty short, but there's that. This one does show its age, but at the end of the day, this fan was not intended to last a lifetime, so there's the, is that the date code? No, it's not. It's on the other side. Over here. Hang on. There's the tag. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.